Ready to say goodbye to your Revolut Premium? Here's exactly how to cancel it. First, open your Revolut app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Subscription section. This is usually found directly on your profile screen. Once you're in the subscription management area, you'll see your current plan clearly labeled as Revolut Premium. Look for an option that says Cancel Plan or Downgrade. Tap on that option. Revolut will then present you with information about what you'll lose by downgrading. Carefully review any potential fees associated with cancellation, especially if you're within a certain period of your renewal. You'll also see a list of premium features you'll be giving up. To finalize your cancellation, you'll need to confirm your decision. Tap on the Confirm Downgrade or similar button on the screen. And that's it. Your Revolut Premium subscription is now canceled, and you'll be reverted to the standard plan. Remember, after downgrading, you'll no longer have access to premium benefits like higher withdrawal limits or premium customer support. You'll still have all your current funds and basic account features, just without the premium perks.